Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Funny Drawings. Today we will draw funny horse. If you like my videos, give me energy by liking and subscribing.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun.